Student News. Thank you for spending part of your day with us. I'm your host, Carl Azus. First up, the universe. A group of researchers is exploring theories about how it got started. And it's just like the projects you do in school, except that it involves 10,000 scientists and will cool the testing area down to 271 degrees below 0 Celsius. Okay, a little bit bigger than your science experiments. But, as Atika Schubert explains, the goal of this massive effort taking place in Europe is to learn about something very small, the atom.
This is the biggest scientific experiment ever. 14 years and $10 billion in the making. The goal, trying to understand the secrets of the universe by recreating the moments just after the Big Bang.
You've got to clearly understand the atoms we're made of, but you've got to understand the stars too, because every atom we're made of was fused from primordial hydrogen in a star which exploded before the sun formed. We are literally the ashes of long dead stars.
This is the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, affectionately called the Big Bang Machine, at CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory near Geneva. The plan, beam particles around 27 kilometers or 17 miles of underground track at nearly the speed of light to smash them together and recreate conditions less than a microsecond after the Big Bang. Massive detectors will try and track down subatomic particles released from the collision. The most highly anticipated, the Higgs boson, also known as the God particle, theorized but not yet proven to exist. Scientists believe it gives matter its mass, allowing for the formation of stars, planets, and whole galaxies. Researchers also hope to find evidence of new particles, new dimensions, and possibly the elusive dark energy and dark matter that scientists believe make up most of the universe. There are detractors. On YouTube, you get this. Some fear the experiment will create a black hole that will swallow the Earth. But CERN says this will not happen. Scientists say a microscopic black hole is possible, and this is what it might look like. But it would be too small and too unstable, winking out of existence in a matter of seconds. Critics also question what they see as astronomical billions of dollars in costs. But for many physicists, there is no question.
I think you are culturally deprived if you can't appreciate the amazing chain of events that led from some mysterious beginning 13 or 14 billion years ago through atoms, stars, galaxies, planets, and biospheres.
Understanding how the universe works, these scientists believe, is worth the cost and the risk. Atika Schubert, CNN, Geneva.
Time for the shout-out. The experiment you just heard about is taking place at minus 271 degrees Celsius. What is minus 273 degrees Celsius better known as? If you think you know it, shout it out. Is it absolute zero, critical mass, sub-zero, sublimation point? You've got 3 seconds. Go! When the mercury drops to minus 273 degrees Celsius, you've hit absolute zero. When molecular motion is at its most minimal. That's your answer, and that's your shout-out. A word to the wise.